Oh, he got away with it. I'm shocked. This is a 2000 Mercedes C280. The customer's having a hard time starting it. He did his own diagnostic. What he ended up doing was checking his battery, then all that turned out to be fine. But he had a friend tap on the starter to kind of free it up, and evidently it worked. So we're just gonna double check and make sure that's actually the issue. Now that it starts, it's doing great, but I don't want to give it to him and then it just shuts down on him tomorrow. All right, this is the new one. This is the starter. In here, it's gonna have some wire brushes. Without making it terribly complicated, if you're gonna strike it with a hammer, you don't want to do it by the solenoid. You want to do it over here by the armature itself. You strike here, and what happens is the brushes that are inside, which they get stuck, they become more free. This gear turns. What will happen is, as it turns, it'll turn this flywheel. It'll make the engine spin, and then it'll start. We'll double check it, make sure if that's the case. This is what he's gonna get.